Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, look this. The weather is very cloudy. It is rainy season. This season is very rain. Look this place. Look at the guys. Hello. What are you doing?
I'm just looking to the pine tree and watching to this little grass and the beautiful of this place with the cold weather and thick clouds with a light rain was dropping here. Hello guys, I move forward and see what is there in front of this place. This is a very beautiful green forest. It is a thick forest, and I will go there and search something to find something new. This is sama bangbulo. Salty grove. This is plankton, and this type of grove is called medicinal grove. And if you eat this, it relieves you from feeling pain of your stomachs. It helps you a lot. See guys, I eat this type of leaf. It's so bitter, but it's a medicinal plant. Look at that pine tree. He fallen down due to the blowing of the air. This time I try to help him to stand straightly and help him to feel comfortable like before. I am very happy today because I got to help him to start fresh. I get to relieve him, and now he feels comfortable, and now he is feel so good and so strong. This pine tree is very important tree in Meghalaya. We always use him as a good and a timber. Very good for us. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe, share to your friends, and show your support to me in my new channel. Thank you guys.